Welcome to Stem Cell Training. For us, it's a pleasure and we're honored that you have wanted to check us out. This 2-day training course is a training course that's based on practice and theory. Now, this 2-day training course will have a hands-on portion and we'll have a lecture portion. Now, in the lecture portion, we will be starting by going back to molecular biology and embryology and all the pathways that the stem cells are going to follow to produce regeneration of the tissues or to stimulate or inhibit the behavior of different other cells. Now, we will continue talking about which types of cells are we going to be able to use in office. We will concentrate our training into adult, adipose-derived, and bone marrow-derived stem cells. Now, we will be discussing also reintegration protocols specific for each condition that our company has been working with, how we're going to treat this patient before, and how we're going to follow up the patient through a year, 2 years, and then at what point we will have to probably repeat the treatment. We will have live practice on approximately 4 or 5 patients. The first patient will be a demo where I am going to guide you through the whole process, and then the rest of the patients, the physicians will be manipulating and reintegrating the stem cells themselves, all following the protocols that we will provide you with, which doesn't mean that you cannot have your input in terms of your experience and your specialty. Our purpose in this training is that each physician gets out of the training knowing how to manipulate adipose-derived stem cells and how to manipulate bone marrow, how to obtain the bone marrow, and how to have in your hands a product concentrated of bone marrow. We will be teaching you also ways of having a laboratory experience, how to manipulate certain pipettes or certain equipment, and we will give you a step-by-step guide of how the process is going to go. This training will leave you with the capacity of going into your office and implementing a regenerative medicine practice. Stem cell training has been training physicians all over the world for the past 8 years. We have developed a training course that will give you all the power to identify conditions, identify which type of cell you're going to be using in each condition, how you're going to deploy those cells into the patient, and how you're going to follow up the patient to obtain the best result.